Students, I am starting with a new topic that is stem cell technology. This PPT is initially presented by Shilpavati Chima, 4th sem student, edited and PPT video by me. My address is given below. Synopsis: stem cell technology. Introduction, definition of the stem cells, properties of stem cells. These are the three properties capable of renewing themselves, unspecialized. They give rise to specialized cells. These all details we will see in the topic. Then adult stem cell, differentiation pathway of adult stem cell, neural stem cells, epithelial stem cells, skin stem cells, epidermal stem cells, follicular stem cells, stem cell therapy in practice, and lastly, conclusion. Stem cell technology introduction. A stem cell is a blank cell, precursor cell that give rise to multiple tissue types such as skin, muscle, and nervous cell, etc. A stem cell is essentially the building block of human body. Definition of stem cell. Stem cells are cells that can differentiate into other type of cells and also divide in self renewal to produce more of the same type of stem cells. Properties of stem cells. Stem cells differ from other kind of cells in the body. All stem cells, regardless of their source, have three general properties. One, they are capable of dividing and renewing themselves for a long period. They are unspecialized. They give rise to specialized types. Now, the first one we will see. The stem cells are capable of discharging and renewing themselves for a longer period. The stem cells are replicable many times. When cells replicate themselves many times is called proliferation. The stem cells proliferate for many months in the laboratory, can yield millions of cells. Stem cells are capable of long-term self-renewal. B. Stem cells are unspecialized. One of the fundamental property of a stem cell is that it does not have any tissue specific structure that allow it to perform specialized function. It cannot carry molecules of oxygen through bloodstream like red blood cells because these are all specialized cells. A stem cell cannot work with the neighbors to pump blood through body like heart muscles cells. It cannot fire electrochemical signal to other cells that allow the body to move like nerve cell. C. Stem cells give rise to specialized cells. When unspecialized stem cells give rise to specialized cells, the process is called differentiation. There are signals inside and outside cells that trigger stem cells differentiation. Internal signals are controlled by cells gene. The external signals include chemicals secreted by other cells, physical contact of with neighboring cells, certain molecules in the environment. So that there are two internal signals, it is by the cell itself, external signals included by other cells which are present including the environment. Adult stem cells. An adult stem cell is thought to be an undifferentiated cell found among differentiated cell in tissue or organs. The adult stem cell can renew itself and can differentiate to yield some or all the major specialized cell types of the tissue or organ. The origin of adult stem cells in some mature tissue is still under investigation. Differentiation pathway of adult stem cells, neural stem cells in brain. The brain give rise to three major cell types: nerve cells, two categories of non-neural cells. They are astrocytes and oligodendrocytes. And in the epithelial stem cells, in the lining of the digestive tract occur in deep crypts and give rise to several cell types: absorptive cells, goblet cells, Paneth cells, and enteroendocrine cells. Skin stem cells occur in basal layer of epidermis and at the base of hair follicles. Epidermal stem cells give rise to keratinocytes which migrate to surface of the skin and perform a protective layer. Follicular stem cells can give rise to both hair follicle and to epidermis. Now, stem cell therapy in practice at present. As of 2016, only established therapy using stem cell is hematopoietic stem cell transplantation, that is HSCT. This usually take the form of a bone marrow transplantation, but cells also can be derived from umbilical cord blood. Research is underway for neurodegenerative diseases and conditions such as diabetes and heart disease. Conclusion: stem cells show great promise for regenerative medicine. There is enormous potential in human stem cell research. Both adult and embryonic stem cells should be studied. Much research needed before therapies are realized. Ethical concern need to be taken into account. Ethical consent is the main. Proper guidelines are needed to be taken to ensure appropriate conduct of research. If you like the PPT video, subscribe my channel Shankarappa Hatti. Thank you. Thank you one and all.